Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on INFINIX Smart 8. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And now you can click skip introduction, and here you can set your Microsoft Edge as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. Now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And your Microsoft Edge is now installed and ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.